quality. The Roots just flung a pad. That's a good backing plate. But I'm gonna try and make a really good video on. Look at this one here. Whoa. If I can fix this, that'd be amazing.
In my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy.
They're getting the big boss detail. Not only are they going full out on the exterior, they're going full out on the interior. That is insane. So I told the owner, these are some pretty bad scratches, and there's probably quite a few that have broken through the paint and might not be able to get them. We'll see.
Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me.
I'll do a little test spot right now. It's actually pretty hard to polish with one hand. Not bad. Yeah, it should turn out great. I'm gonna be putting the 3-step on this one with the rotary, with the beast. Oh, it's gonna look good. Oh, and here's the inside. The inside's all right. It's not too bad. It's fairly dirty. The floor mats are fairly dirty. It's not too crazy. There's a little bit of dog hair. Overall, for the age of the vehicle and the condition of the outside, the interior is fairly not bad. Dirty, but not bad. And let's take a look at the rims and the wheel wells. Oof. Yeah, those wheel wells are cooked. Chrome's all messed up here too. There's bug guts, loaded with bug guts, probably etched right in.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11, 11.
I washed the outside of this truck last night, but I just wanted to show what the vehicle looks like after washing it. I did a pretty good wash on this one, and I also did a pretty bad wash at the same time. I gotta come back and fix some stuff up. I was really tired last night when I cleaned this truck. I didn't even use any agitation on this thing. I just did a touchless wash on this thing, more or less, and like I gotta pull this thing out and do the rims and tires because I didn't do any agitation on them. I just forgot. Yeah, these tires are looking really bad. I didn't scrub them at all. I usually scrub them. They just need a light little scrub and they'll come right off. Because I did an acid wash on this truck, and then I did an iron remover and clay mitt. I kind of really don't want to do this interior. This guy is clean and he takes care of his stuff, but this is years of dirt. So when years of dirt, it doesn't look very dirty. It's actually still really hard to clean because it's like compacted and solidified in there. You gotta watch out for that because sometimes you'll get these vehicles and you'll be like, it's not too bad.
What did you say, Nick?
So it's compacted dirt. I haven't really taken a look in this area, but I'm sure it's pretty dirty, as it usually is. All right, just gonna get to it. I'm not gonna film it. It's more about polishing this video. Just wanted to show the interior a little bit and that I am doing it. All right, so I'm finally ready to start polishing. I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm kind of tired because I was expecting to be at this point at the beginning of the day, and it's basically the end of the day right now. This truck took a very long time to detail on the interior. Get these scratches out of here. These are crazy. These are crazy. Hey, so I gotta get this thing done. I'm falling behind schedule. I've got the box corrected.
What did he say?
I just gotta do the front, the cab, and the hood. But anyway, I'll show you guys how I do the paint correction on here. And I've got a particular technique. My technique's a little bit different than basically most people's. technique.
I don't make mistakes. I'm not just like the rest of you.
Go slow and soft.
I'm
and
better.
all that. And my
I am
technique is
better.
fast and aggressive. So if you want to learn how to polish fast and aggressive and have it come out great, this is the video for you. And I will show you and explain how I do it, how I polish fast and aggressively with a rotary and not mess anything up neither. It's pretty safe. So this hood here, it's pretty scratched up, and I like to do 3 steps when it's really scratched up. The rotary, the forced action, and then the dual action. And I'm just gonna hammer this thing with the rotary, honestly. I'm gonna be using it fast, aggressive, and up on edge, and I'm gonna be pushing the rotary really hard into the surface of the paint to grind out the very deep scratches that are in this truck. And I'm gonna be using a super heavy cut. Now this one here, it says super heavy cut, but I don't really think it has it's not like something crazy or whatever. It's just gonna cut fairly well. And since it says it's a super heavy cut, it's gonna be very thick and get gunked up really fast, and it's not going to be very fun to work with actually. So I'll actually also be using this product here too to make this one a little bit more bearable to use, as in not so sticky and gunky. Oh, it's pretty hard to even get out of the bottle, it's so thick. It's kind of Okay, so now I've switched machines from a rotary to a forced action polisher. I like doing this because the rotary helps me get most of the defects out really fast in the beginning, but it leaves buffer trails all over the place, and they're really hard to get rid of with the rotary. It takes a bit longer. This forced action, it has a different motion and movement style, so it'll help pull those buffer trails out quick, and I'm still gonna get a lot of cut out of this because I have a wool pad on here. I've switched my cutting compound from super heavy cut to just heavy cut. So now I'm working on my final pass here. I got the dual action with the blue pad, blue Lake Country, Roops, and gold standard polish. This is the last pass. I'm just gonna be doing this to get the gloss out of this panel. There are quite a few scratches in there still. I'm not too impressed.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone
What
wrong.
the fuck is this piece of shit?
I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna.
Okay, so this thing is almost done. Just gotta take these. Sweet, so this truck here, it's pretty much ready to go. The last thing I was looking at, the rims, they look kind of dull. They've lost their shine, so I'm gonna just give them the quick cheater sauce spray shine. I call this the dealership show and shine. and I'm just gonna make them glossy, just for the showing. I'm not promising the owner that they're gonna be glossy permanently or anything like that. Boom. Much better. If you can't see it in camera, it's much better in person.
Yeah, I'm aware that a lot of you niggas don't like me, but I don't care.
Okay, so this thing is all done. I'm happy. It took forever. Forever. I'm gonna say 24 hours I put into this truck. Inside and out. Almost everything basically that could be done. And the inside of this truck was really dirty. It took me like 7 hours, and I was not expecting that because it looked clean. The owner of this truck is a clean person, and they haven't cleaned.
They say anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know